Shifting our focus to the state of Maharashtra now, the government has banned the sale of junk food within a 50-meter radius of schools across the state. The state's action is aimed at promoting healthier eating habits among children. The Maharashtra Food and Drug Administration has announced a series of measures that prohibit the sale, advertisement and free distribution of junk food. It said that the initiative is aimed at addressing childhood obesity, diabetes and other lifestyle-related diseases. Under the revised guidelines, no foods high in fat, sugar and salt, including packaged chips and sugary and carbonated drinks, can be sold within 50-meter radius of any school. Furthermore, vendors are barred from promoting or advertising junk food near school premises. Adding to this, companies and retailers cannot distribute free samples or promotional food products around schools. Also, every school canteen must obtain a valid FSSAI license or registration, ensuring compliance with food safety regulations. And lastly, schools must encourage healthier food choices, including fresh fruits, milk, buttermilk, sprouts and balanced meals in place of processed food items. Our principal correspondent Disha Yadav gets us more details on this report from Mumbai.
Well, that is right. To promote healthier eating habits amongst young children, Maharashtra's FDA has banned the sale, distribution and even advertisement of the junk food, not just inside the school, but even 50-meter radius of the school premises. This new order will be applicable for all the government-aided and even private schools across Maharashtra. There are about 1 lakh schools where over 2 crore students study on a regular basis. The order also says that it will be the sole responsibility of the school to ensure that the rule is being followed and there is no violation to the rule. Children end up bringing healthier option meals rather than high processed junk food. In fact, the canteens have also been directed to ensure that they replace high sugar processed or salt foods with healthier meals like fruits, vegetables or milk for that matter. The FDA has warned these schools that surprise checks will happen time and again, and if any violation is being found, then the school will be held responsible. This is Disha reporting here for WION from Mumbai.